Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford F-150 radio. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then remove the center dash trim with a plastic pry tool, gently releasing clips. Peel back trim enough to access mounting screws, then use the correct socket to remove radio bolts. Carefully slide the radio out, unplug antenna and wiring harnesses, and stow the unit safely for inspection or replacement. Begin by prying the dash trim up at the edges with a plastic trim tool, working from one corner to the other to avoid breaking clips. Keep steady pressure and use a towel to protect painted surfaces. Once clips release, look behind the trim for any wiring connectors or mounts that need unclipping. Set trim aside in a safe place and keep screws and clips grouped so reassembly is straightforward and stress-free. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a long-lasting clean scent that pairs well with garage projects. I link the product and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Then return to the video for the next step. Now let's get back to the video. With trim removed, locate the radio mounting bolts and use the correct socket to loosen them, keeping a hand under the unit as bolts free. Slowly pull the radio forward to access the antenna lead and wiring harnesses, and depress any locking tabs before unplugging. If connectors feel stiff, wiggle gently while pressing the release to avoid damage. Photographing connections can save time during reinstallation and prevent guessing which wires belong where.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.